it's Dana. Welcome back to the Silly Girls Kitchen. Today we're making stabilized whipped cream. So easy, only 4 ingredients. You don't have to buy the canned stuff anymore. Make it right at home. It goes together in like 3 to 5 minutes. You can't go wrong. And it's even good on its own, or with fruit. Let's get started.
We're going to start off with heavy whipping cream in a large bowl with a little bit of powdered sugar. We're going to whip this until it forms soft peaks. Then we're going to add some cornstarch, vanilla extract, and whip this until it forms stiff peaks. Stiff peaks means that when you hold up the whipped cream straight up, that it will not droop, just like as you see here. Then just use it however you want. Pipe it, use it as a dip, cupcakes, cakes, fruit, spoon, you're ready.
So to me, the benefits of a stabilized whipped cream is not only that it keeps its shape when piped, but I think it's really a great make-ahead option. I know it takes maybe not even 5 minutes to put together whipped cream, but when you're meal prepping or prepping for a party or something like that, any minute you can spare, like the day ahead, really makes the day of your gathering so much easier. So I think this is a great recipe for that. So if you are going to make it ahead, I do suggest you just whip it just a couple turns just so it comes back, because it will look just a little tiny bit runny, but you see that I made this yesterday and see how stiff that is, so that's perfect. So what I'm going to do, just put it in a pretty bowl, because this is so good you can just eat it with a spoon, but I like to serve this sometimes as even just like a dip for fruit, or of course just use it like you would any other whipped cream. There we go. And guys, don't be afraid, use any type of extracts or extra flavorings that you like in this recipe. I've made this cinnamon, peppermint, lemon. If you are planning on using any other extracts or flavorings, I still highly suggest using vanilla in this as well, because it just adds a deep richness to desserts that I love. And vanilla goes with every flavor, so you can't go wrong there. And we have to taste test now. Yes, I love my job. I get the taste test for you every week. Look at this, see? It's gonna stay and hold its shape. I love that. Guys, is there anything better than like strawberries and cream? I don't think so. This is amazing. So simple, so easy, just a few ingredients, and you're ready to go. So as always, a full free printable recipe for the stabilized whipped cream will be down in the description box below. And if you want to, I really would appreciate it, please, I will beg, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, because every single Wednesday we do have another episode of the Silly Girls Kitchen right here on YouTube. So I hope to see you next week. Bye guys.